3 weeks ago, I had $0 coming in from AI. Today, this AI agent generates $500 a day while I sleep. And no, I'm not a developer. I don't know how to code. And I didn't spend thousands on software. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this money-making AI agent from scratch. The tools I used, the prompts I wrote, and the exact setup that lets me wake up to payment notifications every single morning. If you've been watching my channel, you know I test a lot of AI tools. Most of them are cool but don't make money. This one actually pays my bills. Let's get into it. So here's the problem I was trying to solve. I was spending 4 to 6 hours every day on repetitive tasks that didn't make me money. Responding to emails, scheduling calls, following up with leads, sending proposals, busy work that kept me from actually growing my business. I tried hiring a virtual assistant. That cost me $800 a month, and honestly, they were slower than me and made mistakes I had to fix anyway. Then I discovered AI agents, not chatbots. Actual AI agents that can take complete workflows and handle them autonomously. The concept is simple. You build an AI system that understands your business, makes decisions, and completes tasks without you touching it. But here's what nobody tells you. Most AI agent tutorials online are garbage. They show you how to build a toy that does one thing. They don't show you how to build a system that actually generates revenue. So I spent 2 weeks testing different approaches, failing a bunch, and finally landed on something that works. Here's what I built. It's a lead generation and qualification agent. Here's how it works. Someone fills out a form on my website asking about AI automation services. Instead of that lead sitting in my inbox waiting for me to respond, my AI agent immediately takes over. Within 60 seconds, the agent sends a personalized response email, qualifies the lead based on budget and timeline, schedules a discovery call if they're qualified, sends a proposal if they're ready to buy, follows up automatically if they don't respond. All of this happens while I'm doing other things, or sleeping, or literally anything else. The tech stack is actually simple. N8N for the workflow automation, OpenAI GPT-4 for the decision-making, Airtable as the database, Calendly for scheduling, Stripe for payments. Total monthly cost, about $47 in software. Compare that to the $800 I was paying a VA who couldn't even do all of this. Let me show you the actual setup. Okay, step by step. Step 1, the trigger. Every workflow starts with a trigger. Mine is a form submission from my landing page. When someone submits the form, N8N catches that webhook and the agent wakes up. Step 2, data enrichment. The agent immediately looks up the person's company, checks their LinkedIn, and gathers context. This takes 10 seconds and makes every interaction feel personal. Step 3, qualification logic. Here's where the AI brain kicks in. I wrote a prompt that acts as a qualification framework. The AI reads the form submission and scores the lead. Do they have budget? 3 points. Is their timeline urgent? 2 points. Are they a decision maker? 3 points. Did they mention a specific problem? 2 points. If they score 7 or higher, they're hot leads. If they score 4 to 6, they're warm. Below 4, they go to a nurture sequence. Step 4, the response. Based on the score, the agent crafts a personalized email, not a template, an actual custom email written by AI that references their specific situation. For hot leads, it offers a call this week. For warm leads, it sends a case study. For cold leads, it adds them to a 5-day email sequence. Step 5, scheduling. If they want to book a call, the agent sends my Calendly link and pre-fills their information. 1 click and they're on my calendar. Step 6, follow-up. Here's the magic. If someone doesn't respond in 24 hours, the agent sends a follow-up. If they don't respond to that, it waits 3 days and sends another. It does this up to 4 times, each message getting slightly more direct. Most people give up after 1 email. This agent, it never gives up. And that's why it converts 3 times better than manual follow-up. So what are the actual results? In the last 30 days, this agent has processed 147 leads, qualified 43 of them as hot prospects, booked 28 discovery calls automatically, closed 11 deals worth $15,400. That's an average of $513 per day in revenue from a system that costs me $47 a month to run. But here's what I really care about. My time. I used to spend 2 hours every morning just processing leads and sending emails. Now, I spend 15 minutes reviewing what the agent did and handling the actual calls. That's 10 hours a week back in my life, 40 hours a month, almost a full work week. And the best part? The system gets smarter. Every interaction teaches it what works. My conversion rate has gone from 12% to 31% in 3 weeks because the AI learned which leads actually buy. Let me show you a real example. Here's a lead that came in Tuesday at 11:47 p.m. I was asleep. The agent responded at 11:48 p.m. with a personalized email referencing their specific question about AI receptionists. They replied at 6:15 a.m. Wednesday asking about pricing. The agent sent a proposal at 6:16 a.m. They didn't respond. At 10:15 a.m., the agent sent follow-up number 1. No response. At 2:30 p.m., follow-up number 2 with a case study. They clicked it. At 5:45 p.m., they booked a call for Thursday. Thursday at 2 p.m., we had the call. Thursday at 3:15 p.m., they paid $2,000 for an AI receptionist setup. Total time I spent on this lead? 45 minutes on one call. The agent did everything else. This happens 3 to 4 times a week now, while I'm working on other things, creating content, or literally sleeping. Now I know what you're thinking. This is great for you, but I don't know how to build this. Fair. So here's what I did. I packaged the entire system, the N8N workflow, the AI prompts, the email templates, the qualification framework, into a template you can download. It's in my Discord. Link in the description. Join, go to the resources channel, and grab it. You'll still need to customize it for your business, but instead of starting from 0, you're starting from 90% complete. And if you get stuck, ask in the Discord. I'll help you troubleshoot. If you got value from this video, hit subscribe. I'm documenting my entire journey building AI-powered income streams, and I'm sharing everything, the wins, the failures, and the exact systems that work. Next week, I'm showing you how I built an AI content agent that creates my YouTube scripts, thumbnails, and social posts. It's wild. Thanks for watching. Go build something that makes money while you sleep.